Real estate is seasonal, and this time of year there are typically more homes on the market and more sales activity. That said, inventory during May was up not only from previous months, it was way up compared with this time last year. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. The 880 corridor showed exactly what happens when buyers have more choices. Let's start with supply. Big increase in some of the smaller communities. Albany up 200%, Castro Valley 63%, Newark 185%, Union City 173%. 880 sales, more homes, more sales mostly. Berkeley up 36%, Newark up 38%, Oakland up 19%. But even with more supply, rising prices in Albany and Castro Valley drove sales down. Sales prices? It's supply and demand. Prices dropped in more than half the 880 communities. Berkeley down 5%, Fremont down 13%, Hayward, Newark, Oakland, San Lorenzo all down. Union City down 13% too. In West Contra Costa County, more inventory, more supply, and mixed prices. Homes for sale. Hercules up 61%, Panola up 22%, Richmond up. Homes sold, double-digit percentage increases in homes sold. El Sobrante up 50%, Hercules 20%, San Pablo 39%. Sales prices? West Contra Costa County is transitioning. El Cerrillo up 8% and pushed past 1 million. El Sobrante drops 9%, Richmond and San Pablo both up. In Central Contra Costa County, the increase in supply in some communities was with more sales and price increases too. Homes for sale. Clayton, Concord, more homes on the market. Martinez and Pleasant Hill saw a drop, but Walnut Creek was up. Homes sold. Clayton down slightly. Concord and Martinez both up more than 20%. Walnut Creek up 8%. Sales prices. The high demand for homeownership drove up prices. Martinez up 15%, Pleasant Hill up 8%, and Walnut Creek at 1.2 million, a 3% increase. La Miranda, inventory, sales, and prices all mixed. Homes for sale. Lafayette drops 20% while more homes on the market in Moraga and Orinda. Sales activity, it's just the opposite. Lafayette up 12% and Orinda down 29%. La Miranda sales prices. Lafayette drops 1%, big increases in Moraga and Orinda. The Tri-Valley was all about inventory and patient buyers. A lot more homes for sale. Alamo gained 30 units for a 61% increase. Dublin way up with 74% more homes on the market. Livermore up 63%. San Ramon 59%. And those home buyers? Not so fast. Danville, sales flat. Livermore, sales down 23%. Pleasant down 13%. Sellers responded by dropping prices. Yes, Alamo up 4%. Everywhere else, down or flat. Dublin drops 3%. Pleasant down 3% as well. Lots of changes in the Delta. Inventory, big increases. Check Antioch up 54% and Brentwood up 60%. Sales activity, buyers mostly stayed home. Antioch sales only up 2%. Brentwood down 4%. Pittsburgh, no change. Prices tell the story. Antioch up 3% to $475. Brentwood up 4% at $585. Pittsburgh, flat. Homeowners are having a lot more choices during the peak of the real estate season. We'll see how this translates into sales and sales prices next month. See you then.